Sometimes on those long driveways, it's good to leave a fresh piece of cedar and a letter for that customer, because when they come home at night, they're going to have a nice little surprise waiting for them for a free roof inspection. And that's how you get the big ones when you don't want to deal with those dogs, long driveways, or security gates. Welcome back. Guys, sometimes the hardest thing to do is get outside this vehicle. See that windshield right there? We don't make any money driving around these vehicles, looking at these beautiful homes through those windshields. We got to get out of the vehicle. I know for some guys that's the hardest thing to do, but when you lose your fear of cold calling, be willing to go to that door and ink some deals, you can make a lot of money. Hey, how you doing, sir? Anthony Medico, Euclid Roofing.
How do you do?
Good. We're actually out doing free roof inspections from that storm that hit in April. Have you guys been inspected yet?
No, not yet.
No, not yet?
Guys who
Oh yeah,
my driveway?
yeah. We we wanted to get your attention because we're getting a lot of your neighbors new roofs from that storm. Their insurance company is actually paying for the roof, so we kind of throw that up as a way to get your attention. You know, because it smells good, new cedar. Give you an idea what your roof would look like if it was actually new, because that thing looks like it's ready to fall off right now. What is that? About 20 years old?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell. Because once you get 20 years old, you get a lot of They look real crunchy. I can tell you your valleys are real rusty as well. So that hill probably did a lot of damage to it. It'll actually split that cedar. And if we can find we're finding like 10, 15, 20 splits per square on a storm side. If we see that up there, your insurance company will actually pay for the roof. So far, we're seeing on a lot of the homes here in the south and west sides, and that's why your neighbors are getting new roofs. So we just threw this up there to kind of get your attention.
Thank you.
Hope you didn't mind.
No, not at all.
So what we're doing is we're actually going through the neighborhood, offering a free inspection, and if you have the same damage, which you probably do, we'll take some pictures of that damage and then leave you some information that you can send into your insurance company to get them out here and look at the roof, because you want to get it looked at. First step is to take pictures, verify that you actually have damage, which based on what I've seen in the neighborhood, you actually do. Mm-hmm. You probably do, but we want to verify that. And then if you do, you're going to want to get a claim filed and get your insurance coming out here. And just so you know what we do, we actually meet the adjuster out here on the property, show them the picture, show them the damage, get up there on the roof with them, and, you know, hopefully get it paid for so that you can get a new roof.
Will that raise my insurance premium?
No, actually, and a lot of people think that when you, this is actually a non-chargeable claim. It's an act of God claim. So they can't raise your rates individually when you file this type of claim. So if you have like hail, fire, flood, that kind of thing, it's a non-chargeable claim or act of God claim. They may raise the rates for the whole region a year down the road because everybody's filing claims from the storm. So you may have a rate increase no matter what next year because the whole region, all your neighbors are getting new roofs. So, but for you filing individually, no, they can't raise your rates. It's a free inspection, takes about 10, 15 minutes. And like I said, if you have the damage, which I believe you do, based on the age of your Cedar Shake roof, we'll take some pictures and give you some information you can send into your insurance company.
Okay.
And then we hope to actually be the contractor that meets them out here, and hopefully, if we get it paid for, do the work.
Okay.
Sound good?
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you in about 15 minutes.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.